Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to type vertical text in Canva. Open Canva in the browser. When you do so, click on Text and then click on Add a text box. Enter the text that will be vertical. If you wish, adjust its size. Finally, use the direction icon to adjust the text vertically in Canva. We can also put the text vertically in another way. We start by adding the text box with the content we want. After that, we click on that box, and with the right or left delimiter we drag inwards, and we will see how our text is compressed and configured in vertical mode. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.